Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood now.
सुशांत कृति towards your left. Hi, the trailer looks amazing. आप दोनों की chemistry बहुत अच्छी लग रही है on screen. Who broke the ice first? Because you both are working for the first time. Who broke the ice?
There was no, there was no need to break any ice. As I said, the first time when we met in the old Maddock office and we were doing this one scene, we didn't know each other at all. But somehow, while doing the scene, it just became very organic.
सुशांत, मेरा नाम आलोक है, आपके लेफ्ट में। सवाल है, ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री हमने देखी, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है आपकी कृति की?
केमिस्ट्री तो केमिस्ट्री होती है ऑन स्क्रीन ऑफ स्क्रीन। लेकिन हाँ, हम लोग ये भी इंजीनियर है, मैं भी इंजीनियर, हम दोनों दिल्ली से हैं। और
आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
आप भी इंजीनियर हो? आप भी आ जाओ केमिस्ट्री में। तो और दिल्ली से हैं तो बड़ी सारी बातें कॉमन थी जो बातें कर सकते थे। और
ऐसी ही है केमिस्ट्री जैसी दिख रही है एक्चुअली।
जी, तो ऐसी है।
कृति, इसकी लाइन है एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड, तो इससे आप कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
I really feel like everything, like I feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And you know, it's so strange that before I had signed Heropanti, I had met him for something, generally, where he had narrated me the first scene of Rabta when the story was not developed. Like he was still working on it. And he had narrated me the first chocolate shop scene of this girl and boy and how they strangely feel connected. So it's like I had not even started films back then. And then after so many years doing this film, and that too in a random meeting, just feeling that connect with the script. So everything is connected.
सुशांत, दिस वंस फॉर यू। ट्रेलर में हमने देखा शुरू में ही कृति ने ऐसा कुछ चीज़ी बोल दिया कि भाई तुम तो यार चीज़ी का सहारा ले रहे हो। सो वाज इट रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा चीज़ी डायलॉग्स चिपकाने पड़े, वो वाज इट योर गुड लुक्स की काम हो जाता था?
नहीं, क्या क्या जिस तरीके का कैरेक्टर शिव का है, बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते थे मुझे अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाता हूँ रात को और फिर हम लोग मज़े करते हैं। तो मैं अपने बहुत कम ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब मैं अपने आप को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा होता हूँ और आई वॉन्ट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट कैरेक्टर, लेकिन वो सुबह सुबह फिर चला जाता है। तो आई यूज टू मिस माई दैट पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ, बट शिव इज़ एग्जैक्टली दैट. So here was an opportunity to be my interesting self for 6-7 months at a stretch, and I was getting paid for it. So that was a great thing.
Yeah, please.
So when we started shooting, much before that, so Shiv talks a lot about himself, is in love with himself. Also Maros a lot of cheesy lines. So this guy had already started doing that, and I was like, you know, you're really like Shiv. So he's like, no. This is not me. मैं शिव बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस रहा हूँ। पिक्चर खत्म हो चुकी है, 1 साल हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी ये कैरेक्टर में ही है। So that is exactly him. And I think probably this was one character that he played which was so him, and he used to just tell us that no, I'm just getting to the method of it.
So, and you're making chocolates in this, right?
Yes, I make chocolates.
Right. So did you find your way into his heart through chocolates? ऐसा chocolates बना के कुछ ऐसा in the movie?
You just have to show chocolate. That's all.
Really?
Like he's this. So the way he reacts to ice creams, chocolates, and little babies is the same.
Okay.
Like that.
So now you know the secret, guys, huh?
The easiest thing to pata him, or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice creams.
Chocolates, ice creams, and bachchas. वो बोला. Not. Okay, cut it. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना.